Hello friends, welcome once again to ASOM for Online Maths. In this video, we are going to solve this problem before us. Do not forget that this video is proudly powered by YouLesson app. Catch me on their TikTok page at YouLesson app. Go to Play Store, download and subscribe to their app so that you can enjoy my math videos. Do not also fail to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can enjoy my math videos too. To solve this kind of problem, the best thing to do is to open up the bracket. By using this to multiply everything in the bracket. So x cubed times x squared will give us x to the power of 5. X cubed times minus 5 will give us minus 5x cubed equal to minus 4x. Now you can decide to bring the minus 4x to the right hand side so that it will turn into a plus. So we shall have x to the power of 5 minus 5x cubed plus 4x is equal to 0. Now looking at all these terms at the left hand side, you see that they all contain x, so you can decide to factor out x. This is the Quintic equation because it has the highest power of the unknown to be 5. That means this equation must have 5 solutions. So if I factor out x here, I will have this divided by this is x to the power of 4 minus 5x cubed divided by x is minus 5x squared, and 4x divided by x will just give us plus 4, everything equal to 0. Now I can factorize the term in the bracket. To factorize it, just use this to multiply this. We shall have 4x to the power of 4. What two terms will you multiply to get 4x to the power of 4, and when you add them you get minus 5x squared? Of course, they should be minus x squared and minus 4x squared, because when I multiply these two terms together, I'm getting this, and when I add them together, I'm getting this. Hence, I will use this to replace minus 5x squared. So I am not wrong if I write that x into x to the power of 4 minus x squared minus 4x squared then plus 4 equals 0. I'm not wrong if I write that. So I can further factorize the term in the bracket. I will now have x into, considering these two terms, x squared is common, so you can write x squared into this divided by this is still x squared, and minus x squared divided by x squared will give us minus 1. Then the last two terms, 4 is a common factor there, so you have minus 4 into this divided by this is just x squared, and 4 divided by minus 4 is minus 1, everything equal to 0. Then you can write this as x squared into, this is common, you factor it out, you have x squared minus 1, and also this is a term that is left, x squared and minus 4, so you have x squared minus 4, everything equal to 0. So to get the values of x, you have to be equating each of these terms with 0. So for the first one, sorry, what we have here is x and not x squared, this x here. So for the first one, we have that x is equal to 0. So the first value of x here is equal to 0, because when two or more terms are multiplying each other to give us 0, either one of the terms is 0 or all of them are 0. So x is 0, or you bring this one, x squared minus 1 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to plus or minus square root of 1. And the square root of 1 is still 1. So x is also plus or minus 1. You go to the last term where we have x squared minus 4. X squared minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to plus or minus square root of 4. And the square root of 4 will give us 2. So x is equal to plus or minus 2. Therefore, the values of x that satisfies this equation are x is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1, plus 1, minus 2, and the plus 2. So these are the 5 solutions that satisfies this equation. Do not forget that this video is proudly powered by YouLesson app. Bye-bye.